Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. Today, when you guys are seeing it, it is going to be Saturday, April the 16th of 2022, and I am coming at you guys with a What's for Dinner video. Yes, this is something totally different. Never made a video like this before, really, except for some weight loss videos here and there. But I decided to go ahead and try it out this week and see what you guys think. If you follow my channel, you may have seen my grocery haul on a budget for this week. I thought that some of you might enjoy seeing, what did we make out of those groceries that we got on a budget. So I am just going to go through and show you all of the meals we had this week for dinners, Sunday through Friday. So that'll be awesome. Try my best to keep them healthy-ish. I'll say that we're humans, so some stuff we have is processed or whatever, but for the most part, we really do try to stick with minimal ingredient stuff. We go organic with most of our meat and produce and things. So, so we do try to keep our meals, for the most part, pretty healthy. So, yes. Anyways, let's just dive right in. I'm going to show you guys all the dinners we made this week. Okay, so Sunday night to start us out. Sunday night, our meals are pretty basic. It's basically yo-yo, which means you're on your own. Whatever you want to make for yourself, you can make. So Sunday night, I finished up my Tyson blackened tenders. Love those things so much. They're amazing. They're not that many calories, and they taste really good. They got a kick to them. They're pretty hot, but they're really good. So I made the last of those in the bag, and then I had some, not the most healthiest thing, but the Michelina's wagon wheel mac and cheese. I just paired it up with that and had a decent low calorie. It was under 500 calories for all of that. So pretty good for dinner on Sunday. On Monday, I cooked a crock pot dinner that I found on Pinterest. Pinterest has definitely been my lifesaver with trying to find recipes. I try to cook for the family as many nights as possible because really my family does so much for me, and me being on YouTube, I am more flexible in my schedule. I can work more at night or work earlier in the morning or whatever. So if they have the more structured 9 to 5 kind of jobs, and so I really wanted to pitch in more and help with the cooking. So I've been trying to do more cooking in the house lately. Plus, good practice for the future, right? So I made a tomato basil chicken. You put it in the crock pot. I'll have the link to the recipe down below. You just put diced tomatoes, tomato sauce. You put some Italian seasoning. You put chicken in there. You put some evaporated milk. Actually, it was pretty good. I should have put more spice to it, I feel, but it actually was really good. Just served that over spaghetti. And had a nice side salad, and I made homemade croutons. I'll have that recipe down below, homemade Cracker Barrel croutons. It was delicious. Delicious. Another crock pot meal, as you guys are going to see, I love my crock pot. Crock pots are awesome. Pot roast, just a basic pot roast. I know there's so many different variations of how people do pot roast. I kept it pretty simple. Just put the roast in. I got some smaller red potatoes, carrots, chopped some onion, and I just put some, I put in some garlic and oregano, I think, or something like that, and that salt and pepper, and that was it. I've seen people do ranch packets and Mississippi style, and no, I just did the basic old pot roast. So whatever your grandma probably made, that's kind of what I did. I kept it really simple. Then I just had some of the sliced French bread from Walmart. I can't say enough good about that stuff. $1, and it's a huge loaf of bread. We've been eating on that all week long. So just served it up with some of that. So an easy dinner. So Wednesdays, I always try to keep things really easy and simple. Wednesdays are church nights for us, so I like to have an easy, no cleanup, easy meals. We can just eat and get out the door. So early that morning, I actually made pizza, just homemade pizza. I made 2 different ones. I made a veggie pizza because my mom and grandma don't like meat. And then I made a pepperoni pizza for the rest of us. Delicious. Just got an organic pizza crust, organic tomato sauce. I put pepperoni, and on the veggie pizza I put zucchini, yellow squash, tomato. I sprinkled basil all over it. Delicious pizza. It was really, really good. So much better than the frozen pizzas you buy at the store. Served that up with a nice salad there. Made croutons again, using up the last of those sourdough English muffins. Just put cheese and, all the fixings on the salad. Delicious. Really enjoyed that meal. Yet another super simple meal. You guys are probably picking up on that trend here. Crock pot and easy to put together stuff. That's what I do. I made egg salad. That just sounded really good. We had some hard-boiled eggs in the fridge to use up, and it just worked out really good. So I made egg salad. My mom works long hours on Tuesday and Thursday, so I was able to just make this up and have it ready for her to take to work that day. So my egg salad's simple. Hard-boiled egg, mayonnaise, mustard, and I put some dill in it and salt and pepper. That's it. That's all I do. I keep it so simple, and it was awesome. Serve that up with some kettle chips from Target, and that was that. Easy dinner, took like 5 minutes. So that's my speed. So made that. All right, and then Friday night, we went out to one of our favorite restaurants. It's called Tumbleweed. It's a small chain restaurant. I don't think there's too many of them around, but thankfully we have one. It's a really, really good Tex-Mex place. So, complimentary at Tumbleweed, they give you the free chips and salsa. We get the apricot salsa. It's really, really good. So we had those. Then I had a house salad, which is delicious. They have their own homemade croutons they make out of cornbread. So good. Got the fat-free French dressing on there, all the fixins. Then I got the mesquite grilled chicken breast dinner. So I got the mesquite grilled chicken with the honey chipotle barbecue sauce, which is awesome. Their black beans are really good. It does come with a piece of just regular toast. So that was really, really good. And then Friday night, you got to live it up, right? Went to this frozen custard place called Hank and Stella's. It's really, really good. I got this thing called the Ben, which was vanilla custard with brownie bites and fudge, or no, caramel. Really, really good. So that was awesome. All right, guys, so I'm going to call it a wrap on this video. I really hope you all did enjoy this different kind of content I brought to my channel for this time. The what's for dinner, I do my budget grocery hauls, which come back on Tuesdays for those, where I show you guys how I get my groceries on a budget, kind of my tips for that. But this is kind of how we used our groceries this week, and it was actually really, really awesome. I feel like we had some really good meals. Tried my best to be on the healthy-ish side. Like I said, we're human. It's not always going to be perfect, but I did try my best to have well-rounded, balanced meals. Only went out for dinner once this week, and I only went out to lunch once this week. So I did pretty good, actually. Definitely happy with it. And so, yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this. Let me know in the comments if this is something you would like to see again here on my channel. If you would like to see more What's for Dinner videos, I would love to hear that down below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching.